Chez Satoshi for the love of crypto and coffee. On today's episode, I'm going to bring you a great DAPP that's called Venus over the Binance Smart Chain. Basically, it's a money market, a decentralized marketplace for lenders and borrowers with borderless stablecoins. Pretty obvious, pretty straightforward. But just before I keep going with this beautiful DAPP, I need to take some coffee. Subscribe to this wonderful channel right now. Smash the like button with vibrant energy. Psh, 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 psh. Leave a nice comment about if you have any question about Venus or you want me to cover great DAPP, other DeFi project on these channels right now. As well, you can press the bell notification, bing, 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 to get notified every single day from Monday through Sunday with great content of value. And the last thing, spread the love about this great channel at the workplace and the street at school for great gem, my friend, every single day. You have all my gratitude. So let's go back to money market. What it's all about. It's the first element that is really important to notice is this completely decentralized. Access an immutable money market protocol directly on chain and is a BIP20 token. All Venus protocol assets are bound by the BIP20 standard and scalable, built on Binance Smart Chain for fast, secure, and low-cost transactions. Venus enabled the world's first decentralized stablecoin, VRE, built on Binance Smart Chain, that is backed by a basket of stablecoins and crypto assets without centralizing control. So you can earn interest on your asset. As you can see here, I'm going to read that part. So funds held within the protocol can earn IPYs based on the market demand for the asset. Interest is earned by the block and can be used as collateral to borrow assets or to mint stablecoin. It's not the best IPY, but based on the condition of the market right now, I think it's quite decent. Swipe 2.53%, Venus 6.68%, USD coin 3.46%, Tether USD 4.27%, BUSD 3.73%, and BNB 5.22%. As you can see, this all stablecoin, and stablecoin. And I think those two assets is not stablecoin. And they have many more that you can support, and I invite you to click view more. So the protocol, what is the protocol? How it's working? Money markets built on Binance Smart Chain. You can now tokenize your assets utilizing the Binance Smart Chain and receive portable V tokens that you can freely move to cold storage, transfer to other users, and much more. So you can read the white paper because every option is reside on one big page. So borrow on demand, and you just need to take some coffee. So it's pretty cool. You can borrow some asset without the need to sell your crypto asset, and this is really cool. So you can deposit and get some interest, and you can get more money to tap into other opportunity and the market. So access instant liquidity on Venus. Use your V token collateral to borrow from the Venus protocol instantly with no trading fees, no slippage, and directly on chain. With Venus, you have on-demand liquidity available globally. This is really cool. And they have all the market. So I invite you to read the white paper. They are present on Medium, Telegram, Twitter, and Reddit, where you can track all the code if you want, if you have the expertise, like with the, I don't know, the sunglass, manifestus sunglass. Ooh. So basically, this is all about this beautiful Venus. So you can use it if you have a, you can, if you have an account on Binance Smart Chain, you just click with the MetaMask wallet here. and then you can use it. You can deposit your fund, or you can borrow money and stuff like that to earn interest, or borrow to tap into other crypto opportunity for building passive income. And in the meantime, I hope you really enjoyed this beautiful episode about Venus. Just before the closing, I want you to take a couple of action for this great channel. The first one, subscribe right now, my friend, right now. Take action. Smash with vibrant energy to like this beautiful episode. Leave a nice comment about Venus, or you want me to cover other project out there, just leave comment below. As well, press the bell notification, bing, 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 to get notified every single day from Monday through Sunday with great content of value every single day, my friend. As well, spread the love about this great channel at your workplace and the street. Let's go for great gem, my friend, every single day. And the last thing, I want you can come visit my outstanding website, satoshi.com. You can subscribe to my newsletters and podcasts. Thank you so much. You have all my gratitude if you take those actions right now. Thank you so much, and have a great day ahead.